Hello, I am Aiden Abdurrahmanova, co-founder of SkyBee startup and chief researcher of the project. Our main activity is based on uncovering facts that may threaten the future of humanity. I present to you our SkyBee startup. SkyBee, solution for high-volume pollination and feeding of wild bee colonies. This project is related to the global food crisis and the mass death of bee colonies. Our startup is developing in Budapest, London and Brazil. Note that the project was developed by SkyLife industry research and financial experts for environmental societies and angel investors. SkyBee is a project to produce smart pollination drones used in agriculture. The project is implemented by the company founded by the Ismailzada family. The founder head of the company is Vusal Ismailov. There are 5 main players in this sector. These are Dropcopter, RoboBees, TTAM-6E Amphibious, Hongfei Aviation and Microrobot drones. SkyBee offers its customers a greener and more affordable alternative. So far, the company has raised 15% of its planned target. At this early stage, the startup wants to raise $300,000 in investment. We will direct our financial resources to the development of the mobile application and the improvement of services. By 2025, the company plans to implement this technology in 6 countries. By 2028, the startup plans to produce intelligent robotic bees for leading brands, companies, government and private organizations. SkyLife Industry is a group of scientists who specialize in designing, developing and manufacturing technologies that benefit the world for humanity. This is not a local startup. We continue our education and research in Europe and Brazil. Therefore, we think that Budapest and London are suitable regions for us to develop our startup. Our sphere of influence: Israel, Great Britain, United States of America, Brazil, Germany, Qatar, Turkey. New countries targeted: Mexico, Norway, Sweden, Italy, France, Finland, Spain, Poland, Japan, India, Pakistan, Singapore, North Korea, and Saudi Arabia. The SkyLife industry is a conceptual model of a future cosmic world order that incorporates new customs, social norms, transportation infrastructure, machinery and technology, and includes a number of startup companies and innovative hubs. Our main benefit is being able to make the world a more livable place through the acquisition of human capital and the application of social innovation. This is the unlimited and equal world that the possibilities of technology have brought us. This is our structure. We mainly work on the development and design of new projects and the production of their prototypes. Our team consists of managers, marketers, designers, programmers, engineers and scientists. Colonies of wild bees and other insects are rapidly declining around the world. There has been an 85% decline since 1992. This leads to poor pollination and low productivity in fields. We offer SkyBee to solve the problem. You order pollination drones with a mobile app that results in a 60% increase in productivity. This is our company and our valuable staff. Our company is mainly based on research, production, sales and service. Our goal is to create smart, useful, safe, fun, long and lasting technology. This is our work principle. Step 1. You select the service offered in the mobile application. Step 2. You mark the area to be dusted from the map. Step 3. You choose one of the offered quality indicators. Step 4. You note the order execution time, hour, day, month. Step 5. You indicate the payment method suitable for you. All other work will be done by our drone and shuttle service. These are regions where the startup is developing: Budapest, London, Brasilia, Dubai. In these cities, we conduct scientific research and develop the mobile application of our startup. It can make anyone wonder why startups are so important today. Because this problem occurs in the agriculture of 85% of the countries where urbanization is growing. As a result, every day terrible scenes appear in different places. Farmers who take advantage of the services we offer will have 3 benefits. 1. You will get 200% more results. 2. You will save 50% of your time. 3. Learning and applying technology is 80% more affordable. This shows how the business works. You select the area to be dusted from the mobile app, enter the data, choose the dusting range and the services offered to you, pay online, and our service drones dust the area. Our drones mainly perform pollination, monitoring and maintenance work. This service is suitable for B2B, B2C, B2G. In the future, we plan to expand the company and meet with potential customers. The main factors that indicate the importance of the project are as follows. 1/3 of our diet is milk and milk products. Due to various reasons, our food reserves decrease by 8% every year. We must consider that only 32% of the world is suitable for agriculture. Future droughts and wars will reduce these indicators to 26%. As a result of the death of 85% of bees and insects, today the pollination process has weakened by 29% compared to previous years. If no measures are taken to solve the problem in this matter, the world will face a global food crisis in 4 years. Let me show you how this sector is developing. The global drone market has been selected as one of the most important areas that have been developing even more in recent years. Dozens of manufacturing companies are established in this field every year. They develop software and technical products to solve problems in various fields. Initial work in this area was done in 2013 to 2018. 2018 to 2028 will be a period of sharp competition for technologies created in this field. By 2035, this area will be completely smart and purchasing opportunities will reach their peak. One of the problems in this area is the lack of brand continuity. Even though 5 major players dominate the drone market, SkyBee aims to provide consumers with a greener alternative. SkyBee will be the only brand that will ensure sustainability in this field. Our main advantage is that we study our competitors more than the market. We have researched and analyzed everything, in which area they are stronger or weaker, what are the difficulties they face, how can we surpass them in the market. This will help us build our sales strategy. We have many competitors, but mainly we consider the startup Dropcopter as a competitor. With it you will have to. First, you walk the perimeter with the drone. The drone memorizes the area it will pollinate. You indicate the height at which the drone will fly. The operator remotely controls the flight. Our advantages. SkyBee performs all these 4 operations autonomously through a special online mapping application and GPS coordination tool. Here you can get acquainted with our main goal, task, advantages and disadvantages, and evaluate our project. Without interfering with your opinion, I leave it to you to analyze these indicators. We have a very large drone market. Our total available market, TAM, $6,897 billion. Our serviceable available market, SAM, $2,774 billion. Our serviceable obtainable market, SOM, $1,072 billion. We are thinking of working with people from different categories. Therefore, we are thinking of building a sales strategy that is different, but suitable for everyone and easy to apply. What is this? We will prepare a special offer package for farmers working in the field of horticulture and owners of smart greenhouses. With this, we will reduce some of their concerns in this area, give them extensive technical and mobile opportunities to do more work in a short time, and help increase productivity by 40 to 60%. We will bring the service and monitoring service they expect to their feet. They will monitor all the processes without even going to their fields and get acquainted with the data of the processes performed remotely. Imagine pollinating your fields in Brazil while you're in Canada, and the results of the service are right at your fingertips. Isn't this a great idea? Here we show you the maximum market opportunities we can build across B2B, B2C and B2G. Here, the interests of every category of people, from farmers to state institutions, from ordinary citizens to company sellers, have been taken into account. Without interfering with your opinion, I leave it to you to analyze these indicators. Here we present you the values of 4 petaseconds marketing. We think that these are issues that will be evaluated by the buyer and the investor. We just want to emphasize the most important point, that here we have shown how we will rebrand our product and what we will use for it. It's up to you to watch and judge. Our main costs include funds for company maintenance, prototype development and mobile application development. These include research and development, hardware and electronic parts, installation of the workstation, marketing and advertising, daily operations, presentations, events and meetings, testing and filming. As can be seen from the diagram, we have a constantly and rapidly developing market segment. These indicators show how important it is to invest in this area. This scale shows what stage the drone is in now. We have successfully completed the stages of building the first concept, defining application areas, developing a prototype, and conducting laboratory tests. We are currently testing the prototype in real conditions and analyzing the data based on the results. Our action map is as follows. We started preliminary investigations in October 2022. In July of this year, we carried out test flights of the drone. We aim to start marketing in March 2024. In July 2025, we will exit the startup. This is our initial small monthly income. It is especially symbolic, because we will get the main orders in 2024. It's just meant to convey the message that we can do it. Our main income consists of small investments, grants and support investments. Right now we are just in the development stage and we are trying to keep the startup going with our internal team. We are currently in the pre-seed stage, at which point we are seeking $300,000 in funding. In return, we offer 5% of our company. Although it is a critical period, there are great opportunities for the project to succeed. With these funds, you become a partner in a company valued at over $100 billion. We will make the service we offer accessible and affordable for everyone to use. We will also offer our service to our customers in several forms. As you can see, our startup plans to make a very good profit from each sale. Thanks to this, we will enter every home and business, and we will form a very large market. This is our Big Sky Life industry family. We are sure that we will grow with it in a short time and achieve great success in this and other areas. An example of this is that our startup reached the finals of many World Startup Championships. We meet with many local and international organizations and companies in this field. Our goal is to both attract investment to our startup and expand our relationships. If you also want your name on the list, you can apply for partnership. The project has a management team of 3 people. Vuzal Ismaililov, Chief Executive Officer. Turul Ismailzada, Chief Research Officer, Futurologist. Aiden Abdurrahmanova, Principal Investigator, Ecologist. In this list you can see our valuable members, engineers and marketers gathered around our startup from 5 countries. Each of them are talented young people studying, working or teaching in their fields. You can follow our activities on the website you see here, and you can send us your opinion and proposal about the project by contacting us. SkyBee is the most successful project you will ever invest in. So don't forget to write and call us.